Having options is a good thing. General Motors original equipment, AC Delco Gold and AC Delco Silver offer some great options when it comes to getting the right replacement parts for your vehicle. Easily identified by the blue packaging and featuring the GM original equipment flag, GM Genuine Parts and AC Delco GM OE are the parts that were installed on the production line or validated by General Motors specifically for General Motors vehicles. AC Delco Gold, those parts previously referred to as the professional line, are high-quality alternatives to original equipment parts. AC Delco Gold parts are engineered to meet GM expectations for fit, form, and function. On top of that, you get the backing of General Motors. Much of the Advantage line is now known as AC Delco Silver. AC Delco Silver parts that are designed to be a quality replacement that offers a high value. To top it off, they're available for most makes and models, and once again, backed by General Motors. The packaging has changed along with some of the names, but you'll find exactly what you've come to expect over the years from GM original equipment and AC Delco parts.